In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Datadog subscription. We'll walk through the Datadog interface so you can confidently reach the billing and plan areas you'll use to review charges, manage seats, and access the places where cancellation controls typically live. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to review before you make any changes to your account. Start by opening Datadog in your browser and signing into the correct organization. Make sure you're using an account with billing or admin permissions, otherwise some options won't appear. Once you're in, hover over your profile avatar to open the main menu. This menu is your gateway to account level settings, billing, and user management. From that menu, select Plan and Usage. This page gives you a central view of your subscription, your current plan, high-level usage, and any add-ons. Take a moment here to confirm which products are enabled and how they're measured, since this context helps you understand what will change if you cancel or downgrade. Next, go to Usage and Cost. Here you'll see a breakdown of what's driving your bill over time. Adjust the date range to capture your latest billing cycle. Reviewing trends before you make changes is useful for spotting spikes, verifying expected usage, and identifying services you might want to reduce ahead of cancellation. Switch over to the Plan section. This is where your plan details, commitments, and product tiers are listed. Depending on your account type, this is also where change or cancellation options may appear. If you're on a self-serve plan, look for controls related to modifying or ending your subscription in this area. If you're on a contracted or invoice plan, this page will clarify your term and point you to the correct path for changes. Open Usage Attribution next. This view breaks costs down by tags, teams, or projects. It's especially helpful before cancellation because it reveals exactly which groups or services are responsible for spend, making it easier to communicate changes or consider selective reductions. Then head to Seat Management. Here you can review active users and roles. Cleaning up unused seats often lowers costs immediately and can be a smart step before or alongside broader plan changes, especially if your bill factors in user counts. Finally, visit Billing History. This is where you can review past invoices, confirm your billing cycle, and download records. Knowing your cycle dates helps you understand how proration or end-of-term timing might apply when you make changes. That's it. You've reached the key places in Datadog where subscription details, usage, and billing live. From these sections, you can review your plan, validate costs, manage seats, and access any available cancellation or downgrade options appropriate for your account.